breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast quickly. Shifting focus to that, activist Sonam Wangchuk has written an open letter to Union Ministers JP Nadda and Jitendra Singh, saying he is willing to end his fast if the government assures that no punitive action will be taken against the young protesters. Wangchuk also reiterated his demands for compensation to families affected by NEET paper leak controversy, a meaningful discussion in Parliament and accountability over the issue, warning that without such assurances, he will continue his fast indefinitely. Let's go across to Pragya, who's getting us more details on that. So an open letter now by Sonam Wangchuk. He, in fact, is reiterating the demands that were mentioned earlier. Pragya is saying no action should be taken against the protesting students. There should be a compensation for the families, and only then will he end his fast. Otherwise, the fast is going to continue. He says you need to fix accountability.
Well, Swati, if you carefully read the letter, it makes sure that, the last night visit of Mr. Nadda and also Mr. Jitendra Singh is bearing fruits. The softening of stand of Mr. Sonam Wangchuk saying that, you can give compensation, please give compensation to the families, which government, I'm sure government would not have any issue in giving compensation, and also meaningful discussion. And government is also saying that we are ready for the meaningful discussion. So these two demands can easily be met. Consideration, he is not saying that I want resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. He is saying please have considerable consideration of a resignation of Mr. Pradhan. So government can or cannot consider. There is no sort of condition to ending the fast. But he also mentions that unequivocally government should say that they will not take any legal punitive action against those protesters who participated in Sansad Chalo march. So government can also reconsider that. In fact, last night when Mr. Jitendra Singh and Nadda met, they carefully heard Mr. Sonam Wangchuk for quite some time. It was a meeting of 45 minutes at least, and in fact for 15 to 20 odd minutes they heard what Mr. Sonam Wangchuk had to say, and there were logical and meaningful discussion is what we are given to understand from our government sources, and both the sides understood each other.
Demanding a discussion. The opposition is demanding a discussion. Mr. Wangchuk, the CJP leaders are demanding a discussion. So are the protesters. The government says we want to hold a discussion, but the discussion is what is not happening in Parliament. Thank you very much, Pragya, for getting us the details.